Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to start a streak on Snapchat. So now let's go to my Snapchat account, and then here what we're going to do to start a streak is first to take a video. So let me take a video first, and then after taking a video, you can edit your video. You can put a filter or add a text, but what I'm going to do is just add a text that says strict. I could also write S here on the video. After that, I'm going to send this to one of my friends, and then after sending that, make sure that your friends also send you a snap. And then you just have to keep on doing this for 2 to 3 days. Then after that, an emoji will appear here at the right side of the message or the convo you had with your friend. So that's how you start a streak on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.